Morning, folks. It is the 7th of October, 2021. It's about 8 minutes before the market's opening. This is the NASDAQ E-mini NQ, and the overnight is up 126 points right now. But it is pointing in the down mode right now. I'll show you all the indicators below the 50% line. These red lines are 50%. It's the slow stochastic here. You can read over here. And relative strength, and everything's looking bearish right now, but they can change at the open. We all know that. I always look for a buying opportunity in this market. This is the only market I trade right now, and I usually trade the high of the first 5-minute candle, buy above it. And today, since it's down so much, I'm kind of thinking it's going to go down first, and then I will be looking for a 1, 2, 3 reversal. And let me show you what that looks like here. If you're not familiar with it, some people call it buying the W. So here you got a low is 1, 2, 3, and you buy above this high right here, and then hopefully it'll go on up. And that's my whole. Those are the two patterns I look for: first 5-minute candle, and then a 1, 2, 3 reversal. So I will come back when the market opens, and we'll see what happens from there. All right, we're coming up on the end of the first 5-minute candle, and the high is 34.75. Go over here, put it in, buy stop at 35. Oh shoot, the thing's moving. Okay. It just popped above me. Let's see if it's going. I think. Yep. I missed my opportunity on that one. Looks like. I will have to regroup. I was late to the game. Didn't click the button, so I'm already up. I would have been up $200 already right now, and this thing moves fast, folks. This is the NASDAQ. That's what it does. So yeah, I would have bought right above the high there, 35. Well, it may have actually given me a bad feel. So I will regroup here and figure out a strategy from here. So I'll be back. Okay, so I missed the order to get in, which I'm glad I did. Would have moved my stop up to break even, but still, I mean, I may have got stopped out. So with a $100 loss, but no harm, no foul. I'm not in yet. I didn't get in, but now I've got an order to buy above the high. And if it has enough push, it could go on up. But you got a little bit of resistance right here from the overnight. It's just banging away. We got some wicks in here. The only thing is, it's looking really strong over here with the stochastics right here. It's in the up mode. Everything's looking bullish. So, and the overnight, like I said, the market's up 178 points as far as the NASDAQ goes. And let's look over here to ES, and hopefully we'll. Oh shoot, that's an old one. Let me go here. Here we go. ES 5-minute. That is the S&P 500, and it's looking strong to the bull side. So I'm willing to risk the 100 on that to see what happens. We'll see what goes on here. ES is moving up. That's a good sign. Get back over here on the NASDAQ, and it needs to break out of that little resistance area. So I'll come back if we get filled. All right, folks, I just got filled, and it's coming back to test it a little bit. It's not banging up as quick as I'd like it to, but I'm breaking even right now. Yeah, it looks like I'll probably get stopped out. I just don't want to put my stop way down here below this. That's just way too much risk for me. And we will see what happens here. I Well, let's see here. My take profit is up here at 69.25. So it could get the juice here. There's the cumulative delta needs to break above this high right here to really get moving up. We'll see if it has enough juice. Yeah, it might do it. It's trying to push. Let's see if we can get on up there. I'm up 300 right now, or 270, I should say. I am now going to move my stop up to break even. There we go. That way I feel a little more comfortable. I'm playing with their money right now. So all we need is a few more points. And I'm going for, it's $400 profit that I go for. So right around 400. Looking pretty strong. And almost there. Let's get up to 70, guys. Let's hit 70. We're good. Yep. Not quite. Yeah. One more push up. There we go. So let me just show you what I want to be transparent, as they all say, and show you the scorecard. Come on. There we go. All right. So I had one trade today, made $420 after commission, $416, and I was in the trade 2 minutes and 6 seconds. That's the way I like to trade it. And as soon as it moves up like $100 or a little over $100, I like to go on and put my move my break even stop up, because if it's got the push, it usually will go on up, and like it did today. But the first 5-minute candle, which I usually trade, is it would have stopped me out. And if I just left the trade in. So, and look how much heat it took, and that would have been a lot. So I just feel it's a safer way to trade, and I'm comfortable with it. I made $400, like I said, and I'm done for the day. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. I hope you learned something. What I show is not, I'm not making recommendations. It's just the way I've learned to trade. I've been doing this stuff since 1990, and the changes have gone through. That, I mean, it's with the way the computers are now and all the systems, it's crazy from what it used to be. So I'm sure you've heard old guys talk about that before, so I don't want to bore you with that. So anyway, I appreciate it if you smash the like button there, and the thumbs up, and possibly subscribe to me. So I hope you had a good trading day, and hopefully see you tomorrow. Take care.